Okay, this is another way how to control it. I think this time I'm going to show you how to really land it, though, because last time I didn't land it very well. Okay, ready, set, go. So you just make it go up, and then you don't stop it all the way or else it will crash like that. Actually, that was a pretty good crash. But anyway, usually it crashes. And so go up, and then you go down slowly. Not all the way, like just about in the middle.
תחזיר אותו לפה, אבל כאילו רואים אותו במצלמה.
See? And then you stop it. It landed here so you can't see. You want me to do it again?
מה דעתך עכשיו להציג לחתולה, לראות אם החתולה תרדוף אחרי זה?
כן.
יאללה. אז רגע, שנייה.